Hey guys, it's your boy Lige here, and we're going to make an origami heart. Okay, please subscribe to this channel and please smash the like button. Okay, so the first step you want to start off with is place it like a diamond and fold this up like so. Then unfold and do the same on the other way. Then unfold that too. Then you're going to want to take the top and fold it down to the middle. And then the bottom and fold it all the way up to the top. And then fold these two flaps up to the very top. So that it should look like this. Then flip it over, fold this down here, then this down here, this there, and this there. Then you're gonna flip it over, and that's it. Your origami heart.